Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a telephone hyperlink in your Mailchimp email campaign. This feature allows recipients to click a phone number and call you directly from their device, making it incredibly convenient for customer communication. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your campaigns and email templates. After logging in, look to the left sidebar menu and click on Campaigns. This is where you'll manage all your email marketing efforts. Next, click Create Campaign to start building your new email. From the options that appear, select Email, then choose Regular. You'll be prompted to type in a name for your campaign, something that helps you identify it later. Once you've entered the name, click Begin to move forward. Now you'll need to enter your campaign details. This includes filling out the to and from fields, which tell your recipients who the email is coming from. Also, add a subject line that captures attention and clearly communicates what the email is about. These details are essential for delivery and engagement. Next, hover your cursor over the right part of the screen where you'll see Design Email. Click on this option, and you'll be able to select a template or start designing from scratch. Choose the option that best fits your campaign's style and purpose. Once you're in the email editor, you'll see content blocks on the right side of the screen. Find the text block and drag it into your email layout where you want the phone number to appear. This block will hold the clickable phone link. Click inside the text block you just added and type the phone text. For example, you might write something like, call us at open parenthesis 123 close parenthesis 456-7890. This is the text your recipients will see in the email. Now highlight the phone number text you want to make clickable. This could be just the number itself or the entire phrase. Once it's highlighted, click the chain link icon in the toolbar above the selected text. This icon opens the link insertion dialog. In the link dialog that appears, select web address as your link type. In the URL field, type tel:+123 456-7890. The tel: prefix is what tells devices this is a phone number that can be called. If you want the link to open in a new window, go to the advanced settings and check Open in New Window, though this is optional for phone links. Once everything looks correct, click Insert to apply the hyperlink. Finally, click Save and Close to confirm all your changes to the email. Before sending your campaign, click Preview to see how the email will look to recipients. Make sure to test the phone link on both mobile and desktop devices to ensure it functions properly. On mobile devices, clicking the link should prompt the phone app to dial the number automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable telephone hyperlink to your Mailchimp email campaign, making it easier for customers to reach you with just one tap. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.